Hey guys, it's Blanca from MotherLovingKeto.com. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I am making probably one of my favorite keto sides. This is probably my favorite way to make it. It's super quick, it has a lot of flavor, and you're able to develop it with the use of a cast iron skillet and a really quick, delicious homemade cheese sauce. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this, keep on watching. First, I start off by pan roasting 1 head of cauliflower in my cast iron skillet over medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of butter. Add whatever seasonings you want to add. I do salt, pepper, garlic powder. This lid does not fit my cast iron skillet, but it is perfect for this because what it's going to do is keep the moisture inside, making my cauliflower nice and crispy on the outside because of that high heat, and cast iron is awesome for developing a crust, and then the nice tender inside. So after I have cooked the cauliflower, I leave that set aside, and then I start working on my cheese sauce. I'm going to start in a medium pan with some cream cheese, and then to that I'm going to add some sour cream. I have some seasoning in there just like I told you before. And then I'm going to start adding my cheeses. I add some sharp cheddar, then I go in with some Italian shredded cheese, and then I add 3 slices of Gouda. I normally would have shredded Gouda from Aldi, but I didn't have that. I think they might have been out, or we were out of it, so I just used these slices. Then I whisked it until it was nice and ooey gooey and melty. This is delicious. And this cheese sauce is a really good base for anything that you need a cheese sauce for in keto. And then I'm going to start layering all together in this casserole dish. I put a layer of cheese sauce down first. This creates a nice slippery way for it to get out so it doesn't stick. And then I layer cheese sauce, cauliflower, cheese sauce, cauliflower until I have it to the top. I then sprinkle some delicious cheese on top with a little bit of seasoning. And I cook this under my broiler for a couple of minutes. Watch it until it gets ooey gooey and bubbly like this, and you will be ready to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions when you try it. Let me know in the comment section, and tag me at MotherLovingKeto on Instagram with your delicious looking pictures. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. See you next time.